Stanley is a world leader in the manufacturing and marketing of mechanic tools. Its sockets, wrenches, and accessories, manufactured with state-of-the-art technology at plants certified under ISO 9000 quality standard, exceed the most demanding international standards set by agencies such as American National Standards Institute in the US and Deutsches Institut für Normung in Germany. Following its commitment to endow the professional mechanic with the best and most diverse tools, it is proud to introduce its new line of specialized automotive tools, Stanley Racing. These tools facilitate specific tasks of maintenance, lubrication, and repair of engines, brakes, suspension, tires, body, electric system, and other vehicle components. The Stanley Racing Tools line is divided into 10 categories: engine tools, electric system tools, suspension and steering tools, brake tools, lubrication tools, tire tools, precision tools, extraction tools, and workshop accessories. Stanley Racing offers multiple tools for measuring the air pressure of tires, such as the quadrant gauge, which has an angled entry to facilitate access, double scale, bottom-controlled reading and deflating mechanism. Additionally, Stanley Racing offers its high-pressure gauge, graded up to 120 pounds per square inch. Finally, for general use, Stanley Racing offers a manual gauge with metallic body and easy-to-read bar. For tire inflation, Stanley Racing offers a versatile tire inflator with bar and hose gauge that enables inflating the tire and measuring pressure at the same time. Quickly and safely remove a tire with the Stanley Racing Phillips wrench for bolts. Another tool that is a must for tire maintenance is the 5-way valve core extracting installing tool. This tool is used to extract cores and rods from tire valves, expand valve cores, straighten threads, and discharge air pressure. When a tire has an air leak, repair it with Stanley Racing's repair kit. This kit contains all the tools and accessories needed to repair tires, including self-vulcanized caps and universal cement. In order to achieve optimum driving conditions, it is important to keep tires well balanced. This is why Stanley Racing provided its line with wheel weight pliers that enable removing, cutting, compressing, and installing lead weights to balance tires. In order to work in an organized manner, Stanley Racing offers a line of magnetic trays that help keep the work area in order without limitations. In order to remove the cover from drum brakes, it is necessary to use a ball peen hammer. That is why Stanley offers a full range of specialized hammers in different sizes. For clearing parts and pieces, we recommend the multi-purpose brush kit, ideal for removing rust, paint, and so on. This brake spring washer extractor is ideal, as its name says, to remove washers in drum brake springs. Similarly, the special Stanley Racing pliers enable easy removal of springs. For those cases in which it is necessary to grind the brake cylinder, Stanley Racing offers its grinding tools in two presentations, the 2 and 3 arms, which complement each other with their corresponding spare grinding stones. For adjusting tension in drum brakes, Stanley Racing offers a wide range of adjustment bars designed with optimum curves to easily and quickly adjust brakes. At the time of checking the dimensions of disc brake pads, Stanley Racing recommends using its new quadrant gauge, digital gauge with dual scale, millimeter or inches, or otherwise the traditional manual gauge. These gauges may also be used in any other application where accuracy is required. To clean the work area, The precision air gun offers an angle nozzle to facilitate the cleaning of dust and debris in restricted areas. Stanley Racing offers the tools for brake pistons, which have 4 different ends to adapt to the various piston styles. This tool serves to make the disc brake piston move backwards to allow for the installation of brake pads. Stanley Racing also offers the pad separator for disc brakes, an instrument that facilitates the placement of brake pads by securely compressing the piston in order to place pads. In order to purge brakes, this full set offers the brake purging wrench with long handle and deep angle on its ends, which facilitates access to narrow areas and easy reach of purge valve. To facilitate brake purging, Stanley Racing provides the vacuum pump set, which includes all accessories necessary to replace multiple procedures, allowing just one person to perform the task. Likewise, Stanley Racing offers the brake purge valve with bottle, including a practical magnet that allows coupling to the metallic part of the piece, thus avoiding entry of air into the brake system. In order to work on the vehicle's suspension, Stanley Racing offers the universal spiral spring compressor as well as the McPherson damper spring compressor with safety mechanisms. Both compressors must always be used in pairs. In performing this process, Stanley Racing recommends taking safety measures such as placing safety hooks at all times, and if no hooks are available, to restrict the spring in order to prevent accidents. In order to extract the Pitman connection bar, Stanley Racing incorporates its Pitman extractor product line in thermally treated wrought steel and fine threaded central press bolt. The Stanley Racing line also includes tie rod separators for pulleys and articulated ball joint separators, which enable performing repairs associated with the vehicle's drive. Stanley Racing offers also a 5-piece set of ball joint separator kit that may also be used with the air hammer. In order to install and remove Oetiker-type clamps in homokinetic joints, the homokinetic joint clamp pliers from Stanley Racing are recommended. We also have the drive terminals adjustment alignment tool, which adjusts drive terminals in most vehicles with divided drive terminal covers. The Stanley Racing lever action grease gun includes a precision hardened piston that prevents lube leakage. Likewise, it has an extra large anti-stuck handle, rough head for durability, and impact resistant construction. It may be easily recharged by using standard cartridges or bulk grease. This diverse line also offers the seal extractor with 2 different tips for easy removal of grease and oil gaskets. To remove and replace oil filters, Stanley Racing offers 5 different tools for all types of vehicle and filter types. Adjustable oil filter pliers with dented surface for better grip. Traditional swivel oil filters wrenches in 2 sizes that allow working on 73mm to 98mm in diameter filters. The strap filter wrench of up to 150mm in diameter that may be used with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Comfortable filter wrenches for bell-type filters. Finally, the new 3-arm adjustable oil filter wrench. This wide range of products enable users to choose the most suitable tool for each need. In order to perform the overall diagnosis of the vehicle, Stanley Racing offers the Deluxe Digital Multimeter. This instrument is ideal for troubleshooting the vehicle's power components, fuel and startup systems, engine sensors, and the charge system components. This multimeter enables accurate measurements of voltage, amperes, both AC and DC, as well as ohm resistance of vehicles' power circuits through color-coded, removable conducting wires. It may be used assembled on the vehicle or stand alone. It has an LCD screen for easy reading.